Alerts 9500 coming at you. It's good old Friday, August 1st, 2025. It is 11:52 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And guess what? Just guess what? The 30th of July, the generator that I bought from Lowe's stopped working. What happened was the motor was running, but it wasn't producing enough power to run the air conditioner over there on the roof. It just went right into overload for no reason. I said, that is going back to Lowe's. I loaded that sucker up today. I took it back to Lowe's. They said, we don't know if we can return it. I said, that's my money. I said, you get the manager down here right now. Okay, sir, okay. Yeah, talk a bunch of idiots. Manager made it right, put the money right back on my credit card. And this one I paid cash for. How about that? What have we been doing today? My. What do we got here? Yeah. Focus, there we go. As you can see, right there. It came to over $800 because I bought a 1-year extra warranty. Now it's $160 right there. And this generator is brand new. It hasn't been at Harbor Freight Tool for 3 or 5 or 6 years. This just hit the shelves 2 days ago. 2 days ago, this was released. They have a big show out in Las Vegas. It's called the Selma Show. November 5th to November 8th of 2024, they had a big tool show, and Harbor Freight Tool was there and a lot of tool companies. It's called the Selma Show in Las Vegas, and it was in, like I said, November, and this generator was there. And this is the generator that I got right there. It's the Predator Super Quiet 2500 watt inverter one. And it gives you a lot of great information in the book. Like this right here. This will focus. You can just pause it and read it. I got a good feeling about this one. I've got a much better feeling about this generator. It's got a bigger gas tank. Most of them, even the Hondas, the Honda that I had a 1.1 gallons. This is almost a gallon and a half. A gallon and a half is 5.68 liters. So it's almost a gallon and a half gas tank. Most of these generators that are inverter like this are 1 gallon or 1.1. 12 ounces, it tells you the capacity. I've already got the oil in it, I've already got the gas, but it did hold a little bit more than what it says. It held 12.5 ounces. 12 ounces, didn't quite fill it. It held 12.5. This is the book on it. It tells you all kinds of stuff here, right like that. You know, it's very easy. And you know what I like about this one is some more information here. And I got a toolkit with it. It came with a toolkit, its own toolkit. Put you guys up here. Focus. Let's see if I can get this to focus. There we go. It gives you a screwdriver, which you can put a wrench on it if you wanted to. Nice screwdriver. It gives you the charging cables to charge up batteries. Your cables, or you plug in. You plug this in, and then you put these onto a battery. You can charge up a 12-volt battery, like a car battery or auxiliary battery, or you know, whatever, AGM, lead acid. And it gives you the spark plug wrench here. Here's for the spark plug right there. I guess this just goes in like this. You can just turn your spark plug out. I didn't get any of this stuff with the Craftsman. You know what? That Craftsman one that I bought was actually I believe it was packaged back up, put in the box. I didn't even get the owner's manual with the Craftsman one, and I didn't get the book or nothing on it. And what I think happened was somebody bought the Craftsman, that one that I bought from Lowe's, didn't like it, returned it. Lowe's packaged it back up in the box, and that's what I got. This one here has never been touched. This one here is brand new. Ain't something that somebody brought back to the store and you know, try to resell it. You know. So, anyways, let's go take a walk outside. Put you guys in my trusty holder here. My trusty holder. There we go. Come on now. There we go. Okay. I haven't even started it yet, but I put the gas in it and I put the oil in it hours ago. Put you guys, I guess, down here. It's a nice generator. It's got a fuel gauge on it too. It's got a fuel gauge, and it came with a funnel too. It came with a funnel to put the oil in it, which I already had a funnel. I always like to keep it up off the ground. It saves on those little rubber feet. It's got little rubber feet on the bottom, and it'll save on that by running it on these 2x4s. There we go. So this is the generator. It's nice, man. There it is. Got your plugs. Got your 2 outlets right here. This is a really nice generator. It's got your eco throttle. You always want to leave the eco throttle off when you shut it off. You don't want to start it up with the eco throttle on. You always want to leave it off. This is for your charging cables here. Your 12 volt. Those 12 volt cables I showed you. Right there. This is like some USB, like you can plug in your phone or whatever. Right there. And it's got the lights, the low oil light comes on if it's low on oil, and it's got the overload light. It's got the green, the output, the green comes on, indicates it's putting out power. So, like I said, it's really nice. It's a really nice one. I got a good feeling about this one. It's got a fuel gauge right there on the top. It's full of fuel, so I filled it. A lot of them don't have a fuel gauge on them. Got the big cap on it, the big gas cap. Nice generator right there. In the panel, you don't need a wrench. So this side of the panel, this side here, you do have some screws to take off. So you want to replace the starter rope, you have to take some screws out. But if you want to change the oil or get to the spark plug, look at this. You don't even need all you do is these 2 tabs right here. These tabs right here, you just pull them down. Pull this tab down, and I'll show you. And then this comes right off. You don't even need a screwdriver. Pull that off, and the panel pulls right off. You can get right to your oil. There's your oil stick right down there. Air filter right there. Air filter. And like I said, this generator just hit the shelves. Just hit the shelves. Nice, really nice built, well built, in my opinion. This is the cover. Very easy to put back on. So I'm going to try to start it. I haven't started it. So we're going to give it a shot. See what it can do. It should start right up. It's already got the gas and the oil in it, so let's give it a shot. Quiet. It's really quiet. Something must have went wrong. Wonder what happened there. Why'd it shut off? I don't know. Is that a carbon dioxide detector? Yeah, that's a carbon dioxide detector. Why is that coming on? Let's try it again. You gotta realize this is brand new. This has never been started. I got a good feeling about this one. Seems like a lot better rig, better generator. It's quiet too, it's really quiet. Got the eco throttle. Quiet, it's really quiet. Should run what I need to run. I think it's going to be a good generator. I got a good feeling about it. I'll let you guys know how it holds up. If it don't hold up, it will go back to Harbor Freight Tool. But I think it's going to be a lot better than the Craftsman. I really do. And I use Mobil 1 fully synthetic oil in it. So, alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Enjoy these videos. Give me a like, I appreciate it. And that's all I got to say.